Okay, Harvard has to show us their lists. They have foreign students. About 31% of their students are foreign-based, almost 31%. We want to know where those students come. Are they troublemakers? What countries do they come? And we're not going to, if somebody is coming from a certain country and they're 100% fine, which I hope most of them are, but many of them won't be, you're going to see some very radical people. They're taking people from areas of the world that are very radicalized.
Hey, diaper dumpster, you already have all the information on foreign students. Just check the Student Exchange Information Service. It's all there. Or the State Department. Or the U.S. embassies. In order to get a student visa, they have to contact all of those and apply. So you have their information. Oh, and then that's just the application process. When they finally enter, they have to go through customs and border security. So they're vetted there too. The truth is, you'd rather not have any foreign students here at our colleges because you're a white nationalist.